Hello educators, welcome to this AiTeacha walkthrough. In today's video, I'll be taking you through the online tutors dashboard and showing you the tools available that help tutors teach efficiently and effectively. We will explore the key features, how to manage your classes, and also how you can use the platform to create better experience for your students. So first of all, you are going to sign up as an online tutor. So this is AiTeacha interface. You click on get started. Then you click on online tutor under what best describes you. You click on continue. So then you fill in the necessary information. I've already created an account, so you fill in the necessary information. Once you are done, you click on continue. Then you fill in the information too. Once you are done, you click on submit, and then you've already signed up on the platform. So I have an account already, so I'm going to click on login here. Continue as online tutor. Okay, we all know that the most important thing for an online tutor is know how to create a virtual classroom. So I'm going to start with that. So these are virtual classroom. But before that, let me show you. You can also create your classroom here, just like a shortcut. Then test and exam, image generator, PowerPoint slide. You can manage your tutoring here, manage your students, your teacher, that's the meaning of Teams, your result sheets, share teaching materials. So I'm going to come here, click on the virtual classroom. You click on launch classroom, then you enter the classroom topic or title. Let's say you want to talk about plants. So you can make the class either free classroom or paid classroom. So for that free classroom, maybe the students have already paid for the class already. Or if you want them to pay through this platform, you can click on paid classroom. Then you select your country. I'm going to click on Nigeria. Then you put in the curriculum type. That is the curriculum you use in your own country. Then you put in the grade. Let's say I want to teach grade 5 as an example. Then you add it. You click on next. So you enter a detailed description on what the classroom will be all about. So let's say I want to teach them on plant life cycles. Then you can click on limit the students to stay within the scope. That is, they won't be able to ask any question on the platform that is any question outside the topic. You put in the classroom end date. Let's say the classroom will end tomorrow. Then you enter the number of students. Let me say 20 students. Then I click on next. So here you can upload notes. You can upload any file, PDF, documents, image, YouTube, links, so that the AI will be able to generate the content based on that, and also for those students to have access to learning materials, that is resources. So once you are done, you click on next. You generate outline. So here it is. So I'm going to pick like 2. Add life cycles of plant, seed to plant, from seed to bloom, plant life stages. Then you generate assessments if you would love to, which I recommend. I click, I click on this one too. So I'm done. You can also add more outline to generate more outlines. And I can also delete in case I change my mind. Then you click on next. So here is our students tools. So you can also select any student tools that is aligned with the topic you are teaching. For example, you can't say you want to teach plant, I should now pick geometry tool, and you see that it's not even aligning at all. So you have to pick any tool that is aligned to the topic you are teaching. So once you are done with that, so I'm scrolling down, you click on save. My classroom has been created successfully. So with this, you can, so this is the class. I need to activate the class by clicking on activate. So it has been activated. Then you click on this three bars, you click on view. So with this, you can copy the class code here or link and share it with your students so that they can have access to the class and go through it, answer the assessment you've created, and with that, you can able to get the knowledge of your students. So once you are done with that, you can also take it to another level by clicking on go to live class. So once your students, so I will advise as an online tutor, ensure your students already have access to the class so that you can know how you're going to teach them. You can be able to get their knowledge and then use that to teach them so that they can really understand the topic. Do you get my point? So you click on go to live class. So once you click on go to live class, follow the instruction through, then have your class. And the time is unlimited. It's not like you spent 1 hour, then they cut you off. No, continue teaching as long as you want. So that's that about that. So also you can also make use of our PowerPoint slide on the platform. The first thing you're going to see is copy code before you see this where you're seeing here. So once you've copied the code, you come here, then you paste it, you unlock access. So you could say generate, turn prompts or documents into presentations with AI, that is AiTeacha. So you put in your prompt here. You can also upload file, office documents, spreadsheets, images, and then click on get started. Then you follow the instruction, you pick in the templates you want, then you generate your slide, and you are ready to teach effectively and efficiently. So let me go back to the dashboard. So also you can also make use of our CBT here by creating your test or your exams on the platform. And once your students take the assessment, the scores will be generated automatically. That is, they will be able to see their results instantly. Also, you can also create your result sheets here on this platform. You can also manage your teachers. I've shown you the shortcut. So you can also come here under administration, add your teachers here. In case you have your school, all around, maybe in different places, you can click on the branch and create your branch. So you can also add your students and a lot you can also do here. You can set your school here, put in the classes, the subjects, and so on and so forth. You can do them here. So lastly, I'm going to take you through the AI tools. So we have over 40 tools on this platform for our teachers. So they can come here, generate their lesson plan, lesson notes. There is a video on that actually. So they can make use of any tools they want to use, visual teaching aid, assessment questions generator. Like we have a lot here. So just come here, Hmm. Give it and take it. Your students, they're already brilliant already with AI teacher. So just pick in any tools you need here and then make use of it. You can also have access to practice test generator, quiz generator, a behavior intervention generator in case you have any child that has that has an irrational behavior, you can come here. Or do you have a child that needs a special attention? You can use our special needs intervention generator. And also, lastly, I'm going to talk about our plan. For the online tutors, we have two plan. We have the basic plan and we have the sorry, let me go there. Here we have the okay, yeah, it is. We have the basic plan and we also have the pro plan So yes, the pro plan. So the significant difference between these plans is just that under the basic plan, you won't have access to the 40 plus advanced tools. But under the pro account, you can have access to what is in the basic plan and even more. So that's the difference between them. So you are going to do me a favor, ensure you sign up on the platform, explore the platform, book a demo with us, then we show you how the platform can benefit you more. See you in the next video. Bye.